What's up with them?
What's happening? Better get home.
Get the stuff, we're going. Piper, come on, we're going now.
Sally! Sally!
I want to see what the TV says.
What's going on?
Guys, quickly, come and see this.
That up to 15 different groups have claimed responsibility for this attack. And to repeat, we appear to be talking about a nuclear device which has killed tens, if not hundreds of thousands of people in and around the capital. And we're beginning to hear of fallout as far afield as Bristol,